Are you tired of working a job from 9 to 5 on a low salary? Or do you just wonder how you can make a bit of spare money online? The good news is there are a lot of ways which you can make money online, and a lot of them are uncapped, which means that if you do them right, then it will be possible to earn a lot more money each month than you're doing in your current job. Here we will go through 10 ways to how you can make money online, which are all uncapped, and all of them have a high potential if you learn to do them right. But you should pick the ones which fit your personality, as it will make it much easier for you to get started. So let's go through them, and in the end of the video you have hopefully found your new way to make money online. My name is Daniel, and I'm here to help people with personal finance and show how to start a digital side hustle of your own. If you're interested in improving your personal finance or start a digital side hustle of your own, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a passive income source where you find a cheap product that you think you will be able to sell for a higher price. You then set up an online store where you can sell the product and create an ecosystem behind it. What the ecosystem needs to do is that when somebody buys the product from your store, then it should automatically order the same product from your reseller for a cheaper price and make it ship the product to a customer's address. You will then never touch the item, as it will be sent directly from the other reseller to your customer. You will basically just receive a fee for connecting the reseller with the additional customers, and in that way you earn the surplus between the price you sell the product at and the price you have to buy the product for from a reseller. If you want to do this, you can read more about Shopify and Overload, as they have a lot of setup around building a dropshipping store as automatically as possible, where you have to do the minimum work, mainly finding new products you want to sell and advertise them to find customers. Print on demand. Print on demand is a passive income source where you create a design. That design can then be printed on something. It can be a t-shirt, coffee cup, stickers, or something completely different. There are many opportunities to print on. The way you get passive income is then by uploading your designs and setting up an automatic order system. When somebody then buys your product with your print on, then your system will order the production of your product with your design. You will then get the surplus for the price you sold the item for, minus the price you have to buy it for. A lot of websites do all of this for you, for instance Redbubble. They have a user base and an entire ecosystem with a lot of traffic on their site. They are able to create the product with a design and ship it out to the customer. For this they will take a bit in expenses and not just the price of the product, as they are doing all the administration. All you have to do is just create creative designs to upload, and if somebody buys an item with your design on, then you will get a percentage of the sale. You can upload the same designs to multiple sites, like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Etsy and Teespring. That way you have a much bigger chance of hitting a larger audience. It is also possible to start your own print-on-demand business and get a higher percentage of a sale, but then you will have to stand for all the traffic yourself. This can for example be done with Shopify together with Printful or Printify. Affiliate marketing and blogging. Affiliate marketing is a passive income source where you help companies to get traffic to their site through one of your links. The link will have a cookie which the customer will get in their browser when they use your link to access the company's website. If a customer with your cookie then buys a product from the company will be able to see that the customer used your link and will reward you with a percentage of the sale. How big a percentage will vary from company to company and is also depending on what type of product or service you help them sell. To be able to use affiliate marketing, you will need some traffic to go through your links, which is why it often works best together with either a YouTube channel, blog, Instagram or another kind of content sharing site where you'll be able to show your links to people and encourage them to click on it. It works very well together with a blog where you can write about a niche and give your viewers the answers they would like. Pick a niche you have a passion or a lot of knowledge about, and it will be much easier to write the post. As you get more into the blog, you will start to figure out where it is possible to place the affiliate marketing links. If you generate a lot of traffic, you might also be able to earn a bit of extra from ads on your blog. YouTube and podcast. Like the idea behind this channel, it is possible to generate passive income with a YouTube channel or a podcast. The way you can generate passive income with a YouTube channel is being approved by YouTube to monetize your channel, and then you can put ads on your videos and get paid per ad watched by other people. Another way to generate passive income through YouTube can be through sponsored content and videos, where a company pays you to promote their product or service. And if you have a lot of subscribers who want to support you, then you can also get lucky that people want to donate your money to encourage you to make more content. Shorts, Reels and TikTok. Short, Reels and TikTok are basically short videos of less than 1 minute. As with a YouTube channel, you can get ad revenue when somebody watches your videos. The same doesn't go for shorts, as there isn't ad revenue on them yet. Instead, the companies have created something called creator funds, where if you get enough views, you can be selected to earn a reward. For shorts, it can be up to $10,000 per month. For Reels, $35,000 per month, and for TikTok posts, there isn't a limit yet. The good thing here is that if you decide to earn money this way, you don't have to choose a single platform, as there isn't any exclusivity agreement. You can post the same videos on all 3 platforms and potentially earn a reward from all of them each month. That way you have a much higher chance of succeeding. Influencer. There are multiple ways to make money as a social media influencer, but one way is typically to have companies offering you a deal, where you either receive the product or service for free, indirectly earned it, or you are being paid for promoting the product or service. Typically, the amount of offers and the earnings will depend directly on how many followers you have, since it is a marketing cost for the companies to be able to reach as many people as possible with their products. Another way is to use affiliate marketing combined with being a social media influencer to take advantage of your own traffic and get earnings that way. Online courses and eBooks. Creating a course is a lot similar to writing a book. You will have to find customers who want to buy your course, and for that to be possible, you will have to teach a topic in the course that will give value to your customer. At the same time, the customer needs to know that the course exists, so you need to create traffic for your course. There exist a lot of sites selling multiple courses, which is an opportunity to use for your course as well. There are a lot of ways you can do courses. A few examples could be to gather a lot of information from different sources and present it in a nice way, to teach something complex in a simple way so everybody can understand it and be able to execute it in the future. As long as you think you would have bought it if it was available, then somebody else will probably feel the same way and you will be able to make the course for them. If you want to create courses or ebooks, just depends on how you want to teach. In courses you will usually have to create videos, and in an ebook you will usually have to write it down more understandable. If you are good at writing your scripts down to your courses, then you might also be able to turn your courses into an ebook as well and create both. Create an app or a game. The way you make money by building an app or a game could be that the customers have to buy the game or app to be able to use it. Or maybe you have a free trial in the beginning and then the customer will have to pay to get the full value. You can also offer it for free and earn passive income by offering quality of life features or an in-game shop for faster progress in the game. Or you can offer something completely different. It is also possible to use ads in your app or game and create revenue every time somebody views the ad. There are tons of opportunities when creating an app or a game. You can build a small one with a simple purpose, or you can build a large one, where you expect the user to be hooked for multiple hours a day and revisit it often. It is only your creativity which is the limit on what kind of app or game you want to build. You just need a good idea and then pursue it. The time it takes to build an app or a game can vary a lot depending on how big it is, but we will suggest that you begin with something small and work your way up. Streamer. Streaming can be almost everything today. You just have to find the right audience and in the beginning try to be within a niche or stand out in a way so people can find you. For example, if you like to play video games or have a hobby you're using a lot of time on that you might think that others would like to look at, then you can try to stream it. There are multiple platforms for streamers like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook. The way you make money on these is by people subscribing to your channel each month to support you, or they can choose to donate your money for doing a good job. As you get bigger, it will be easier for you to get sponsorship and start collaborating with companies by showcasing their new product and receiving an amount for it. The bigger you get, the easier it will be to generate multiple streams of income around your channel. But in the beginning, it all comes down to standing out and being discovered. Stocks and crypto. There are in general two ways you can make passive income with stocks and crypto. The first way is to have dividend stocks, which pay a dividend every quarter or every year. This is a sign that the company has a hard time using all its surplus for growth and starts to give some of it back to the shareholders. When calculating to see how much you earn, it is usually calculated as a percentage of how much the stock is worth. Another way you can earn passive income with stocks and crypto is capital gains, which is when you buy a stock for one price and sell it for a higher price. The amount between what you bought it for and what you sold it for will then be your capital gain. If you are not much into stocks and crypto, we will suggest that you start to look into it and learn more about it, as it is a great way to make extra cash in the long run. But for the beginners, we would suggest starting with index funds like S&P 500 and invest in a passive index fund which just follows the market. Are you doing any of these things right now to make money online? And are there any of the things that you would like to start? The good news is that it is never too late to start. You can always start on one of them and you don't have to pick a single one. A lot of them can be combined in different ways and might even have a lot of synergy where they will make each other better. Comment below those ways they would like to start and we will encourage you to pursue it. If you're interested in more topics like this, subscribe to our channel. We will post new videos every week. And remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful.